Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new. And in this video we'll talk about Luna Classic. We'll do a full update, we'll talk about some fundamentals, we always kind of do about Luna Classic, but we'll mostly focus on the technicals. I mean, the technicals have been strong for the last week, or basically since the 19th of October, so week and a half, something like that. Obviously also because Bitcoin has been quite strong, but there's some interesting things happening right now as well. I mean, yesterday, for example, and the day before, we saw some bullish momentum coming into Luna 2.0, which usually also trickles down to Luna Classic. And apart from that, there's enough to talk about. All right, so that's what we'll get into. Apart from that, if you're new to the channel, I think most of you are just returning, but if you're new, I cover Luna Classic every weekend, or at least I try to. So if you're interested in those Luna Classic updates, because not a lot of people are doing them anymore on YouTube, consider subscribing. But that's up to you. All right. Now into Luna Classic, what we're seeing is that the momentum, or at least the open interest throughout the week, has kind of spiked up and down. And that really, I mean, you can see that on the chart as well. I mean, the 25th of October, like Luna Classic has been bullish this week. And especially after breaking above this level between 62 and 6300, the technical structure has been bullish as well, but it hasn't been able to really be sustainably bullish, all right? Because what we need to see, if we really want to see a rally from Luna Classic, which I don't think we have seen yet. I mean, it has been bullish, but it hasn't really rallied. And the one thing it needs to do for that is it needs to have some sustainable bullish momentum. And now what we're seeing is that huge positions are being opened, but then they're also closed very quickly. So it's a bit manipulated, but in a different way. There's just a lot of whale traders trading it. And now you're seeing that the open interest yesterday increased, but it has been fairly flat together with the volume for the last couple of hours. So the big question for Luna Classic, excuse me, I almost have to sneeze. But the big question for Luna Classic is basically, can it get some more bullish momentum? All right. And I think that depends. Like, if you take a look at the technicals right now, the most likely scenario is that Luna Classic will retest its main support at around 6400 and 6300. And it seems like, even though it's not a major support level or a major resistance level in like normally, but it seems like the level that Luna Classic needs to break above is right here between 65 and 6600. All right, so that is what we'll need to take a look at. Because Luna Classic will find support here. But if it does not break above 66 and 6500 here, at some point of time that support is not going to hold. And then Luna Classic, I mean, at some point of time, Bitcoin is also going to pull back. And if that happens, Luna Classic will just drop back down to 5900 and potentially even lower, down towards 5500 again. So the one thing Luna Classic needs to do is it needs to find support here and then break above 6600. Then I think like it will get up to 7,000, which is still the main resistance level up here. Like I said, 66 and 6,500 is not that strong of a resistance level. But I do think that if it breaks above that level and Bitcoin can also get some more bullish momentum, that Luna Classic could rally all the way up to 7,500. All right, so I really think 66 and 6,500 is the key to getting up to those higher levels. But we do have to see that bullish breakout. And for now, like I said, the open interest and the volume are practically flat. So there's no momentum, or not enough momentum right now for Luna Classic coming from there. And then apart from that, USTC also does not have that much momentum. I do want to quickly check if there are any governance proposals. Maybe that could help. Yeah, they're voting on some governance proposals, but I don't think that that these are going to matter. No, I don't think so. I mean, this is just a text proposal. So no, it just depends on Luna Classic. All right, it depends on whether it will be able to break above 66 and 6,500, whether it will be able to get that momentum back. If not, it's just going to consolidate, and at some point of time when Bitcoin pulls back, Luna Classic will do so too. All right, so that is my main analysis. Those are my thoughts on Luna Classic for now. Apart from this, I also have my own premium trading group in which I just share all of my trades, including on Luna Classic, but I don't trade it that often. But you also get access to an amazing community full of traders, my trading guides. So if you want to make a profit while trading and while becoming better, consider joining. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.